quick job. Gonna cut out this dashboard. Custom. Sorry about that. Some people.
Copyright music.
Damn it. Alright, so we're gonna have to cut half the dashboard out. We're gonna do really intense interior modification. It's gonna probably add like 20 horsepower maybe.
Such a Ricer thing to say.
Probably just 5.
Get out of here.
Okay, really, just a new start button.
Yeah, super simple.
GTR button going 370Z. Difference.
Yeah, see, I don't want
Should be like right here, right there.
Wow, pushed it right back in. Should be using the plastic one right now.
Super simple. Just undo the clip. Just undo the clip. It's out and easy. These sides need to be pushed. Then push it out.
Super simple. Which way did it go?
That way.
Yeah. Super simple.
That's it. You just plug the harness back in, and then you can start like a GTR now.
How'd you pop it out again?
Squeeze the sides. Those sides. And then push.
So
You can almost not mess this job up.
but I'll manage a way or find a way to do it.
Damn.
So that's it. See if it starts.
Sounds like a GTR now.
Yeah, I know, right? This is a GTR. What are you talking about?
This is your full custom GTR with the 370 body kit, right?
Imported from Japan, one and only. It's a one-off kit.